Oily hands. Oily freaking hands. It's Rovan from R48 Productions, and happy National Rotisserie Day, June 2nd, 2018. We got cornbread. We have half a chicken, mashed potatoes, cream spinach, and some gravy with a strawberry Dr. Pepper. You guys can definitely check out the Instagram photos. Rovin's RR, that's my Twitter. You now, my Snapchat is Keep Rolling, Rolling, KeeProvenRolin. Facebook is R48 Productions. That's also my Fortnite. Let's get this review started here. And wow, I think I had the chicken before. You guys can check on the review. On the reviews that I did on the Boston market. I know we did the meatloaf. I'm not sure if we did the ribs. Struggle. Let's try to get this wing here. A half a chicken. This came out to $13.76. This is a wing. Wow, okay. Look at the bone already got off. Wow. Oh my God, this is gonna be good. Mmm. The skin is kind of like a gooey texture, which is weird, like a sticky gooey. A little salty. I'm gonna try some of that gravy next. I don't know if you guys can see the translucent cup. Let me get a little bit of the leg here. I got some meat. Ooh, it fell off. There's the meat portion. Okay, that's some good gravy. Gravy has like a nice beef stock base. It's not heavily seasoned with pepper or salt, but it's a nice kind of thick gravy. Wish they gave us a little more. A little bit of cornbread. A lot of cornmeal. It's like a doughy kind of like doughy. It's really soft and mushy. Sticks to your teeth. It's slightly sweet. Maybe a little bit of salt. I wish this cornbread was much more flaky than mushy, but it's very moist. All right, let's go to the cream spinach. This is like my favorite. Some tortilla chips, some mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. You got yourself a spinach artichoke dip. Oh my God, heaven. This is the best side. Oh yeah, the other plate, I substitute the cream spinach with green beans. Just so you know. Let me try some of that, I think this is the breast meat. This is the breast meat here, no gravy. This is how you cook chicken. That's how you cook chicken. I felt like I tasted gravy before too. Okay, let me get I thought a half a chicken comes with like a thigh. Unless this is the thigh here. I don't know my chicken parts. This is more of the breast meat. Oh my God. The skin is almost too salty. It's like right on the edge of being too salty, but it's pretty good. So overall, yeah, the chicken is really like moist. It's not dry. It still has like the juices from the chicken surrounded with the meat. The wing is probably the driest part of the chicken, I believe, in my opinion. But it's really seasoned well. The wing is seasoned well. And I believe the leg has the most tender meat. The breast has that in-between kind of tender to moist, but it's more tender than moist. The gravy, I felt like I tasted it before, has a really heavy beef stock flavor, but like light on the salt. The cream spinach is about a 9 out of 10 for me. It reminds me of that spinach artichoke nacho dip. The mashed potatoes, they're nice and creamy. Can't go wrong. Definitely, I know you guys will probably be too late, but if whoever celebrated National Rotisserie Chicken Day, appreciate you guys, much love. I like doing these kind of videos where like it's a special day for a particular food item, and hopefully I get to do that more. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, follow the social media that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, and be sure to check out Boston Market because they do have like probably the best rotisserie chicken in the fast food game right now. So have a wonderful day. Do not text and drive. Drive safe. Love and peace.
This is how we do it. South Central does it like nobody does. You know it, you know. How you tripping in finesse. This is how we do it. Let's flip the track, bring the old school back. You know it, you know it. Fellas, grab your ladies if your lady fine.